Hey y'all, do you have a product that you want to promote? Drop down in my description box below and click the link. I want to promote your product. Come share it with me and my wonderful subscribers. I can't wait to hear from you. Hey y'all, so I decided to have breakfast for dinner with my little holiday waffle mix. Y'all, my mom got this for Christmas for me along with a brand new waffle maker because she broke my other one. But the one she bought more than enough made up for it. So that's why I'm having green waffles, y'all. I decided to just go ahead and finish off this pack. Now, you know your girl knows how to make waffles and pancakes from scratch, but baby, we was not doing that tonight, okay? I got this little piece of waffle mix. I put in some whole milk, gave it a stir to my liking. I butter up my waffle maker. You know, you need to butter up your waffle maker first before you put anything on it. Let it heat up. And then I just put my waffles on there and they came out amazing. Y'all know I had to add some eggs and some sausage. And let me tell you, baby, we had brunch, breakfast, all the things for dinner, okay? Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, what do you think about my breakfast for dinner? And what should I have added?